Sohaila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you another delicious cake, and since the holidays are approaching very fast, I thought this would be a very good addition to your holidays desserts. So this cake is an upside down pineapple cake, and this recipe is very easy, and the difference between my recipe and other upside down pineapple cakes that I am using coconut sugar for the glaze, and I think that makes it very unique and very different. Please continue to watch, and I'll be back and show you how to make this delicious upside down pineapple cake from the beginning to the end. Thank you for joining me today. Hi, welcome back. Here's our delicious upside down pineapple cake. It looks really good. I'm going to cut a piece and I'm going to try some and I will let you know. Wow, it looks really good. It looks very professional. I really like it the way it looks, so let's see how it tastes. Wow, this cake is really delicious. The thing that I like about this is it's very moist. And I substituted ram with rose water, and that makes it very unique, and I can smell it. The smell of rose water is very strong in a good way. I love it. I love the smell. I love the combination of rose water and vanilla extract, which makes this very, very different. And honestly, this is the first time that I have used rose water to this a cake, and I'm really glad that I did it because it makes a big difference. Try this recipe and let me know if you have any comments, any suggestions. Please leave them down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Love you all.